Human nutrition requirements. Human nutrition requirements. Humans have 7 essential nutrient requirements: carbohydrates, fat, fiber, protein, water, vitamins, and minerals. Your body needs all of these nutrients to grow, function properly, and prevent disease. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are sugars, starches, and fibers found in foods like fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products. Carbohydrates are necessary and beneficial to humans because they provide fuel for the body and energy for muscles. Carbohydrates can be broken into 2 categories: simple and complex. Carbohydrates are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates are mainly made up of sugars and can be found in highly processed foods like candy, soda, and cookies. Because simple carbohydrates are quickly broken down by our bodies, they lead to a spike in blood sugar followed quickly by a crash. However, the sugars in unprocessed foods like fruit and milk are also considered to be simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrates should be eaten in moderation and should come from unprocessed sources. Complex carbohydrates. Complex carbohydrates are found in whole grains, beans, and starchy vegetables like potatoes and corn. These complex carbohydrates are higher in fiber. Your body digests and uses them more slowly. This leads to a longer, more steady burst of energy. Opting to eat more complex carbohydrates versus simple carbohydrates can ensure a healthier diet. Fiber. Fiber is a plant-based nutrient. It is a form of carbohydrate that cannot be easily broken down by the body and passes through your body relatively intact. Fiber helps to regulate blood sugar and cholesterol. Fiber also helps to maintain regular elimination and prevents constipation. A fiber-rich diet also helps protect against some forms of cancer and other gastrointestinal diseases. Fat. Fats are sometimes thought of as bad, but they are essential for your body to function properly. Fats provide energy, protect organs, and help bodies store vitamins and minerals. However, like carbohydrates, not all fats are alike. There are 4 main types of fats: saturated fats, trans fats, monounsaturated fats, and polyunsaturated fats. Fats are composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms similar to carbohydrates. However, fats have more carbon and hydrogen atoms and less oxygen atoms. Trans and saturated fats. Trans fats are found in deep-fried, processed, or packaged foods. They are unhealthy and should be avoided. Saturated fats are found in animal and dairy products such as beef, poultry, butter, cheeses, and ice cream. Saturated fats should be eaten in moderation. Both trans and saturated fats tend to be solid at room temperature, and eating too much increases the risk of clogged arteries and heart disease. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats. Polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats both tend to remain liquid at room temperature and are healthy fats that your body needs to function. Monounsaturated fats come from vegetable sources like olives and avocados. Polyunsaturated fats are most often found in fish and nuts. Protein. Protein is an essential nutrient that provides energy, helps to build muscle, and contributes to a healthy immune system. Protein can be found in both animal and plant sources. Animal protein sources include all meat, beef, poultry, fish, etc., dairy products like yogurt, milk, and cheese, as well as eggs. Most plants include some protein, with the highest protein content found in beans, soy products, nuts, and grains. Proteins are composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, and sulfur atoms. Vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds that the body needs to function. Since our bodies are not able to make vitamins, we rely on the foods we eat to be sure we have vitamins that are essential to a properly functioning body. The following slides discuss the 13 vitamins. Vitamins. Vitamin A is essential for eye health and can be found in orange fruits and vegetables, as well as dark leafy green vegetables. Vitamin B1 helps regulate blood sugar and can be found in grains, seeds, potatoes, oranges, eggs, and liver. Vitamin B2 is essential for cell growth and metabolism. It can be found in asparagus, bananas, okra, chard, dairy products, eggs, and fish. Vitamins. Vitamin B3 also aids in cell growth and function. It can be found in chicken, beef, tuna, milk, eggs, tomatoes, leafy vegetables, carrots, nuts, seeds, and lentils. Vitamin B5 is essential for producing energy and for hormone function. Good sources of B5 are meats, whole grains, broccoli, avocado, and yogurt. Vitamin B6 aids in red blood cell growth and can be found in chickpeas, beef liver, bananas, squash, and nuts. Vitamins. Vitamin B7 aids in metabolism and helps build strong skin, hair, and nails. B7 can be found in egg yolk, liver, broccoli, spinach, and cheese. Vitamin B9 is commonly called folic acid and is particularly essential during pregnancy as it helps to build a healthy nervous system in a growing baby. Vitamin B9 can also be found in leafy vegetables, peas, legumes, sunflower seeds, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12 is essential for a healthy nervous system and can be only found in meat, eggs, and dairy. However, B12 can also be found in fortified cereals and soy products. Vitamins. Vitamin C builds a healthy immune system, strengthens blood vessels, and aids in the healing of wounds. Good sources include raw vegetables and fruits. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones and teeth. It can be found in some fish, eggs, beef liver, and mushrooms. Sunlight is also a source of vitamin D. Vitamins. Vitamin E keeps cells healthy and reduces inflammation. It can be found in wheat germ, eggs, nuts, leafy greens, and vegetable oils. Vitamin K is needed for blood clotting. Vitamin K-rich foods include leafy greens, pumpkins, and figs. Minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances found in the earth and also in the foods we eat. Humans require some minerals in order to function properly. The most important minerals for human bodies include calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, sodium, potassium, chloride, iron, and sulfur. The following slides discuss these components of a healthy diet. Minerals. Calcium is essential for bone health and can be found in dairy products and leafy green vegetables. Phosphorus also contributes to strong bones and teeth. Phosphorus can be found in a variety of foods, including dairy products, beans, meat, fruits, and vegetables. Minerals. Magnesium is responsible for maintaining normal nerve and muscle function, a strong immune system, and maintains your heartbeat and strong bones. Magnesium helps prevent liver disease, high blood pressure, and diabetes. It can be found in avocados, nuts, tofu, seeds, legumes, bananas, and leafy greens. Minerals. Sodium helps with nerve and muscle function and keeps the body properly hydrated. Sodium is found in common table salt and food items containing salt. Most people consume more than enough sodium in their diet and need to be careful not to consume too much. A diet with too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure. Minerals. Chloride is linked with sodium because it is also found in table salt and can cause health concerns if too much is ingested. However, in the right amounts, chloride helps keep fluid levels in the body balanced and aids in digestion. Iron is a mineral that is needed for both growth and development. Iron is used in hemoglobin, which is a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Minerals. Potassium helps regulate the heartbeat and keeps muscles functioning properly. Potassium can be found in many fruits and vegetables, including bananas, melons, squash, and potatoes. It is also found in nuts, seeds, and yogurt. Sulfur is required for healthy hair, skin, nails, tendons, and ligaments. It also helps protect cells from damage and aids in metabolism. Sulfur is found in meat, nuts, seeds, grains, and vegetables like garlic, onions, and leeks. Water. Water is essential for life and is needed for almost all of the body's functions. Most of the water necessary for powering your body comes from drinking water, but food can also contribute to the amount of water you consume.